and how to get financing for a fix and flip project. What if I told you that with the right financing, you could transform an ugly, run-down house into a cash-flowing masterpiece? Imagine stepping into a house that's been neglected for years and seeing it as an opportunity to change your financial future fast. But here's the problem. How do you actually fund that transformation? How do you get the cash, the backing, to turn your vision into a reality? Without it, you're just dreaming. In this video, I'm about to show you the most powerful ways to finance your fix and flip project. But wait, if you don't get this right, you could end up losing your shirt. And your dreams of living that wealthy lifestyle might slip right through your fingers. Trust me, this is not something you want to miss. 1. Introduction to fix and flip financing. You've seen those real estate investors on Instagram, waking up in luxury homes, driving sleek cars, and closing deals like they're on autopilot. But here's the truth. The path to that lifestyle starts with smart financing. And today, you're going to learn how to get it right. But before we dive into the financing options, let's pause and think. Why is getting the right funding so critical for a fix and flip? Well, without proper financing, you can't even start. Period. So let's get into it. I'm going to walk you through the 4 essential ways you can secure financing for your project. But stick around until the end, because one of these strategies could be your golden ticket to financial freedom. 2. The financing methods. First up, hard money loans. These are like your secret weapon when you're just starting out. Think of them as your financial backup dancers. You're the star of the show, but without this money, your performance could fall flat. Hard money lenders focus on the property itself, not your credit score or long history with banks. This is what makes it perfect for fix and flips. But here's the catch. The interest rates can be high, and you better have your project locked in because these loans come with deadlines that you need to hit. It's like asking someone to lend you a gym membership for the next 3 months. Don't overestimate your time. You've got to hustle. So now that you know about hard money loans, let's talk about another route. One that might require more patience, but could save you big bucks in the long run. Private money lenders are next on the list. These are individuals, people with cash they're looking to invest, and they want to trust someone with it. This could be a family member, a friend, or even a business partner. Private lenders can often offer you better terms than hard money lenders. They're more flexible and might even offer lower interest rates. But remember, trust is key. If they're handing over their money, you need to know exactly what you're doing. So don't go asking your broke cousin for a loan. You need someone who's actually got the cash and the confidence in your vision. Now, what if you don't have a rich uncle? Don't worry, I've got 2 more options that could be just the thing for you. A home equity line of credit, or HELOC, is the 3rd option you've got. It's like tapping into your home's value to fund your project. This is a great option if you already own a home and have built up equity. The best part? You can access that cash without selling your property. But there's a catch. This one can be risky. You're using your own home as collateral. So if your flip doesn't go as planned, you could lose your house. And trust me, that's a nightmare no one wants. But don't panic just yet. Stick around because I'm about to tell you about the least risky, yet most powerful method of them all. Lastly, traditional bank loans. These are your conventional options that you're probably familiar with. They come with lower interest rates, but the process is slow and often requires great credit. Plus, if you're trying to get in and out of a flip quickly, this might not be the best option. And if you've ever tried to get approved for a loan through a big bank, you know the paperwork is enough to make you want to pull your hair out. So unless you enjoy filling out endless forms while waiting for months, maybe this is a last resort option. But here's where it gets interesting. Each of these financing options can be used in combination. Let me explain how in just a moment. 3. The final push. Here's the thing. The key to successfully financing a fix and flip project isn't necessarily about choosing one option. It's about combining them. Maybe you start with a hard money loan to get the ball rolling, then pivot to a HELOC once you've built some equity. Or maybe you bring in private lenders to help bridge the gap. The important part is this. You need to take action now. Every moment you wait, someone else is out there flipping houses, stacking cash, and living their dream life. Don't let that be you looking back in 5 years wondering what could have been. I know it's scary. I know you have doubts. But what's scarier than taking a leap into the unknown is staying stuck in the same spot forever. Your future is waiting, and it starts with the financing you secure today. So what's next? It's time to make a decision. Choose your financing option, take action, and go flip that house. You've got this. Want more tips on how to scale your fix and flip business? Hit that subscribe button and join the family of future real estate moguls. The journey to wealth starts now.